Hello, I'm Mohammed Rostam. During my software engineering internship here at Incorta, I dove into real-world coding and debugging problems, and this took me through the entire development lifecycle from start to finish. The main takeaway was that I was able to deliver on clean and efficient code under my strict deadlines that I had. The team was also always amazing and very helpful. They would answer any questions that I had and would support me in any way that they can. And this internship didn't only help the technical side, but it also gave me a front row seat to understand how software engineering powers the tech industry.
Starting this internship, I felt like I was opening a 1,000-piece puzzle set, exciting as well as intimidating. But with the help of my mentors, who were like puzzle pros, I began to see the bigger picture. Every new skill was another piece that clicked right into place. At the end, I began to see that persistence is the key to solve any problem, and I'm proud of the work we've done together.
From day one, I gained hands-on experience and quickly learned Incorta's workflow and product. The friendly, supportive environment felt like one big family. It was an honor to be part of it, and I'm grateful to everyone.
Through my journey with Incorta, I had the chance to dive deep into the world of big data, working with its different tools and interacting with various open source projects. Overall, it was a wonderful experience that allowed me to take a glance into what real-world projects and life after graduation look like.
This internship was a journey of growth and discovery. I dove into the Unity Catalog project, doing the POC and mastering skills like Spark and Delta tables. It wasn't about just fitting in at Incorta, it was also about leveling up my skills and work ethics. This was a game changer for me, both professionally and personally.
I found what I expected in the internship. I believe I'm taking meaningful steps to bridge the gap between the academic life and professional life of software engineers by working on real products that achieve success and meet customer needs.
With Incorta being an ever-growing company, this internship was challenging yet incredibly rewarding. I had the chance to solve real-world problems that pushed me to my limits, both personally and professionally. I also had the chance to collaborate with other teams that made me catch the essence of what Incorta is really like.